Yo, hey guys, what is up? It's JJ Tech here, back again for another brand new video. And in today's video, as you can see by the title and thumbnail, we got a new product on the channel. At least I should say we got a new device on the channel. And that is, as you can see by the title and thumbnail, the Fifine Studio Condenser Microphone. Now if you guys don't know what these microphones are, basically you see these kind of microphones being used by streamers on Twitch, YouTube, even podcasts and stuff like that. And that's basically what this mic is all about. As you can see here, it's by Fifine. And the reason I keep pointing out the brand name is because I've actually had products from Fifine, and they're very, very good products. And in today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing video of this product. Now, it's been a little bit of time since we've had a new product on the channel. As you know, the last time we had a new device was the PS5, and that was what, November? And I'm finally got something that's not only good for the channel, but it's also good for me, because as you guys know, I do stream usually on Fridays at the end of the week, and this is definitely gonna be an upgrade from what I use. So with no further ado, let's get into the video. Alrighty, so let's waste no time. Let's crack this thing open here. As you can see, presented with that, and as you can see, that just fell. But that's all good. It was just some manuals. So the first thing you're going to notice is, well, there's a manual. Let's throw that to the side. Let's be honest. Who really reads that? But I'm probably going to read it at the end because I don't quite know exactly how to set this thing up. But as you can see here, opening it up, first thing you see is, well, this thing. And this is actually like a shield. So basically, I'll explain on another video. This is just the unboxing video, but I will be explaining all these things in detail. And that is going to be my next video, so stay tuned for that. So yeah, we get this thing. This is the first thing in the box. Throw that to the side. And then you lift this little panel off, and then you're presented with this. Now the first thing we can see here inside this box is we have a bunch of stuff. First of all, we have kind of a little more of an instruction manual. Kind of let you know how to plug this stuff in. It is a good amount of stuff in here, you know. You got the shock mount. You got your wind reflector, I guess you could say. I forgot what you call these. Like I said, I'm not like an audio person like that, so I don't quite know the exact names to these things. And then you do have the connection USB to, I believe, is USB-C. Don't quote me on that though. But yeah, this does plug into the PC, obviously. And then next thing we do have here looks like it's a stand. So if you don't want to use the little arm here, you could actually just use it as a traditional stand, like on a desk, like put it right here. I know you guys can't really see that, but you guys probably already know what this is. So yeah, nice that it comes with it. I didn't actually think it was going to come with this. And then we do have the arm here, and this obviously does clamp in to your desk, and you can pretty much use this and move it around however you want. Most people know what this is. As you know, a bunch of streamers use this when they're playing. They can adjust it wherever they want it. So I'm very excited that this comes with it. And I'm also very excited to tell you guys the price, because you guys are not going to believe how much I got this thing for. And then, don't worry guys, we're almost done here. As you can see, just two more things. Next thing we do have is the clamp itself. So this is the clamp that will go on to your desk or whatever, your table. And then the most important component, that is of course the microphone itself. And as you can see, that's pretty much it inside the box. So now let's focus on the microphone. Alrighty, so as you can see here, we have the microphone itself. As you can see here, this is where you're supposed to mount it onto the arm. I guess you can also mount this on a tripod now that I'm really thinking about it. But yeah, you can mount this on the stand that it came with, as well as the arm that it did come with. Now I like to refer to these microphones as boom microphones, but I know boom microphones are a completely different thing. But no, I've always associated these microphones being called boom microphones. But yeah, that's not the proper terminology though. But back to this, as you can see here, we do have your little volume slider. This is going to control your decibel range, how high you want it to sound. So if you turn it up higher, obviously the surroundings are going to be able to be heard on this mic. And if you turn it more down, it's going to be focused more on your voice as opposed to your surroundings. But yeah, I gotta say, this thing is pretty hefty. It is an all-metal construction, obviously by Fifine. And now let's reveal the price. Alrighty guys, so that was pretty much it. An unboxing video of the Fifine condenser microphone. It's called the Studio Condenser Microphone. And as you can see here on Amazon, this thing I bought it for 62 bucks. As you can see here. For all this guys, 62 bucks. Now, the reason I'm saying that's a deal is because I went to Best Buy actually, and I saw a Razer microphone. Obviously that is more of of a more recognized brand, right? And I did check that microphone out at Best Buy. It was like a little mini Razer, I think it was called the Razer Siren, something like that, or Siren. You know, Razer has some weird names, but it was like pretty much identical to this microphone. Just imagine it even smaller than this, because this thing isn't really that big, right? So it was smaller than this, right? And the microphone itself was 60 bucks, just the microphone. Like, it didn't come with pretty much anything else, and I was like, 60 bucks for this? Come on now. So I was like, of course, I looked on Amazon, and of course on Amazon they have way more stuff. You know, they have different packages from different brands, even brands you've never heard of. And I came across this one. It was more of a recognized brand. The reviews were great, and yeah, so 60 bucks for all this stuff. This is pretty much your whole setup that you need to get started. But yeah, guys, that's a deal for this microphone. I will drop the link down below in the description box so you guys can check it out and purchase it for yourselves. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. And I know, guys, it was kind of a shorter video because it was just an unboxing. I am going to be revealing the details and a review video and how it sounds, of course, in my next video. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, guys, that pretty much wraps up today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.